Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Supabase to Lovable. First, open your Lovable project. Make sure you are inside the project editor. Look to the top or side of the screen and click on your project name. Then click on the Settings button to open your project settings. Once you are inside Settings, look for a tab called Connectors. Click on the Connectors tab. Here you will see different options. Depending on your setup, you may see sections called Shared Connectors or App Connectors. Now scroll through the list of available connectors and find Supabase. When you see Supabase, click on it. This will open the Supabase connector settings. Next, click the Connect or Authorize button. After you click it, you will be redirected to the Supabase login page. Log in with your Supabase account. If you do not have one yet, you will need to create one first. After logging in, Supabase will ask you to grant Lovable permission to access your account. Review the permissions and approve the request. This step allows Lovable to connect securely to your Supabase projects. Once you authorize access, you will automatically be redirected back to Lovable. Now you will see a list of your Supabase projects. Choose the specific project you want to link to this Lovable app. Select the correct project and confirm. Your Lovable app is now linked to Supabase and ready to use. Thanks for watching.